how to add keyframe in CapCut. Open CapCut PC on your device and you can add in any videos. After you do so, what you need to do is just go ahead and select the video of your choice to add in the keyframe, and you can just go ahead and drag the video, and you can see the option over here. So go to video, under video is basic, right under basic is scale, as you can see. So it's quite easy to add a keyframe. All you need to do is just go ahead and click on this button over here. As soon as you click on it, you can see the keyframe will be added. Same goes for other as well. You can just go ahead and drag your video or the time, and you can see this option. You can just go ahead and tap on it, and this is a different type of keyframe. This is the transformation keyframe. Well, other than that, you can see the scale keyframe as well. All you need to do is tap on this option over here and the keyframe will be added. So to jump into the keyframe, all you need to do is just go ahead and tap on this next button and the last keyframe will be there. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well.